This is Tom. This is Paul. Both of them have just purchased a new Mercedes-Benz. Tom chose to protect his new vehicle with Mercedes-Benz Insurance, while Paul decided to insure his new car with a cheaper competitor. Tom and Paul enjoy the new car experience with all of the driver assistance technology and safety features, knowing they are well protected. But unfortunately, accidents happen. Tom knows Mercedes-Benz Insurance will take care of him and ensure his vehicle is returned to pre-accident condition, using genuine Mercedes-Benz parts. He even has the option to have his vehicle repaired by a Mercedes-Benz authorized repairer or his repairer of choice. Tom's vehicle is already being worked on at the authorized Mercedes-Benz repairer by trained Mercedes-Benz technicians using 100% genuine parts. Paul's car ends up at the cheapest repairer, not his repairer of choice, and he has lost control of who, where, and how his repairs are carried out. Paul is also unsure of the quality of repair, the use of genuine parts, and how this will impact the performance of his vehicle's safety features in the future. Tom has already picked up his Mercedes-Benz with full confidence it is back to pre-accident condition, including all safety features working as designed. Tom can sleep easy knowing that Mercedes-Benz Insurance guarantees the use of Mercedes-Benz genuine parts. The repairs have been carried out by Mercedes-Benz factory-trained technicians. His vehicle has been returned to pre-accident condition. The repairs are guaranteed for the life of his car, even if he sells it. In addition, Tom feels secure that he has protected his new car warranty, the quality and premium performance, and most importantly, the specialized Mercedes-Benz safety technology that help protect him and his family. Paul, not so much. For more information, contact your local Mercedes-Benz dealer or call Mercedes-Benz Insurance on 1300 730 200.